Hi everyone. I am going to try something for the first time. And what is it? Well, it's this chicken feet. Oh gosh, I don't eat chicken feet, or you call it Adidas.
I like
So, this is my first time. Wish me luck that I don't gag. Oh my god, here it is. Just the thought I'm eating feet. Yuck. I hate feet. So here goes, guys. Let's see. My friend is saying something here. All right, here we go. Ayoko.
Go, Larry, go.
No, go, Lord.
Do it.
Look, they're cheering me on. Wait.
Good. It's rich in collagen. Good for your skin.
They're bones. Okay, it's not.
You like it?
Actually, it's not bad. Actually, it's not bad.
Good.
But I don't think I'll eat it again. But it's not bad. All right, see you later.